guys, so today we are going to unbox HARISON Bahubali. So I think this product had a good review on Amazon. It's a C-type stand which is counterweight by a sandbag or a water bottle, and you can have your camera or mobile camera or even DSLR hooked up to the another end and take a top-down shot. So let's see what's inside, and then later on, maybe after some use, I'll share the reviews also. So I think packaging is good. It is strongly held by these couple of strands. So let's see. So we have this bag, and within this bag, so there is a logo HARISON. I think this is a pouch where you have the counterweights. This is a manual, make in India.